Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer journey mapping with Smaply. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Smaply account. If you don't have an account, create one at Smaply's website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on New Project to start your customer journey mapping. Enter a name for your project in the provided field. Select a template that suits your needs, or choose to start from scratch. Next, click on Customer Journey from the options. Begin by defining your customer personas. Click on Personas to create and customize different customer profiles. Fill in the relevant details for each persona, such as demographics and needs. Return to the Customer Journey section to map out the stages of your customer journey. Identify key touchpoints where interactions occur. Add touchpoints by clicking on the plus icon in the journey map. For each touchpoint, include specific actions customers take. Now, indicate customer emotions at each stage of their journey. Use the emotion icons to represent feelings like happiness, frustration, and confusion. Next, highlight pain points that customers may experience. Add notes to clarify why these pain points occur. Now, collaborate with your team by inviting them to the project. Click on the Share button to send invitations via email. Leverage feedback from your team to refine the journey map. Once you're satisfied, save your project. You can export the journey map as a PDF or share it directly from Smaply. Regularly review and update your map to reflect changes in customer feedback and business strategy. This ensures your customer journey mapping remains relevant and actionable. You've now successfully automated customer journey mapping using Smaply. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.